didn't warn you. It's not that bad. It's actually kind of fun. Now, as we exit the terminal, if you look down towards your right, you might see a few bears in our wildlife encounter. As soon as the other tram rings out that they are ready, we'll take off. Speaking of the devil, there she is.
I know. You mean like ones like just walking down the wild? We're gonna have to come back.
We're going, aren't we?
One under the tree, one on the
Now we are going to swing going across the tower, so I suggest you hold on to something or someone. And no, I am not someone. I only make exceptions if you're really cute. Sorry, sir, you don't count. Please stop winking at me. You're gonna I know it's the beard, but come on, show some self-control. Don't be hasty.
Yeah.
6 months ago. We are now approaching Tower 5. Tower 5 is our tallest tower. Just one, folks, please hold on. By the way, we got a great photo opportunity coming up on your right. Now would be a good time to dig out your cameras and or cell phones. I have to say and or because I've actually seen someone with one camera in one front and a cell phone in the other.
Oh wow. Look
I
at
imagine that's
that,
about as cool as
Yeah, this is how we're going to be ziplining. Yeah. Yes.
That's awesome.
Wait for it. Yeah, this is prepare yourself. They're like ones that crows.
Now, if I can get everybody to look out towards your right and slightly ahead of us. You see that tall mountain over here? Well, that's a tall mountain over here. I couldn't resist. I had to. That is Mount Pecan. Mount Pecan is the third tallest peak in the park, second tallest peak in Tennessee. In the state of Tennessee, it is surpassed only by Clinkman's Dome and only by 50 feet. It stands at 6,593 feet above sea level. For comparison, Gatlinburg is only 1,300 feet above sea level. Now, contrary to what you might have read on Facebook, Mount LeConte is not an active volcano. That was a very well-written article issued by the Park Service on April the 1st. I've had a lot of people asking me which mountain's the volcano. I always ask them the same thing. Well, did you read the whole article? Yes, I did. And I just laughed at myself because I know they didn't. The very last sentence said April Fool's. Now, even though it's not a volcano, that doesn't make it any less special. There's actually a series of cabins at the top of Mount Pecan, and the only way you can get to them is by hiking up to them. No roads, no electricity, not a single luxury. If you got that reference, I'm sure Gilligan is very proud of you, but now everybody knows how old it is.
When they talk about
Here comes another tower.
Yeah, this is our ziplining tomorrow.
Now, before you grab your hiking stick and start heading to the mountain, there's a couple things you might want to be aware of. First of all, it is not an easy hike. There are 5 trails heading up the mountain. Shortest one is 5.5 miles. Longest one is 8. None of them are easy, and all of them are steep. You're basically climbing about 4,000 feet in elevation in a very short distance. The other thing you need to be aware of, those cabins are so popular with hikers, they have to make their reservations anywhere from a year to 2 years in advance. Now, while it's a bit of a difficult hike, it is absolutely worth it. The best pictures I've ever taken in my entire life were on top of that mountain last October, facing towards the park. Here comes the other tram. Now, they do sell souvenir T-shirts at the lodge up there. They have the year and the trails on them. The guy driving this tram right here that's about to pass us, well, he actually went up there 2 weeks ago, which means he beat me getting this year's T-shirt. Everybody wave at him, but please use all of your fingers. Just because he beat me up the mountain doesn't mean he's number one. Now, I made that number one joke about a week ago. I looked down, there was a young girl standing right there at the window. Barely came up over the window, waving at him like this, and they went by. I'm glad she didn't get the joke. Now, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is the most visited park in America. Over 10 million people visit each year. Last year, they beat their own record with 11.1 million visitors. With all of those guests coming through the area, this lovely little town in front of you is capable of housing over 200,000 people at any given time. That's hold on, let's have it. Let's have it over here.
That's that road.
Hold on, let's have it. I can only do it two. Twice. Now, I'll tell you more about Gatlinburg, but we've got another tower coming up, and I'm not sure why, but I've got this funny feeling that everybody is going to go. So I'll wait and tell you more after the tower. I love my job. It has its ups and downs, but I still love it.
Heard that one already.
It was supposed to be a corny joke.
It was.
Now, even though the city of Gatlinburg is capable of housing over 200,000 people at any given time, it's got a year-round population of only 3,900. That means that just about everybody that lives in Gatlinburg is involved in the tourism industry in some form or fashion. That also means just about everybody that lives here has more than one job. My second job, I'm a supermodel for Guess Jeans. I guess it's a good thing I'm good at this job, otherwise I'd starve to death waiting on that check. While I am kidding, I am very serious when I ask that you please keep that in mind and be sure to take care of your waitresses and servers. Be nice to them and show them your generosity, even if they are just a little bit late with your refill. There's a very good chance that's the same person that made your bed that morning. Don't forget about your delivery drivers. They're dealing with traffic, so you don't have to. Here comes another tower.
Imagine having to come up here and maintenance this.
She's making fun of me.
Now, if you're looking for something for the whole family to do while you're in the area, I always recommend Sugarland's Visitor Center. There's several trails that start out there. They also have a museum, a gift shop, and even a free movie theater that shows a movie about the history of the park. Definitely worth checking out while you're in the area. Sugarland's Visitor Center is located 2 miles south of Gatlinburg on Highway 441.
Look at my eyes.
Now, this is the part of the trip where we slow down so I can let out all of my troublemakers. Here's your stop, sir.
Aim for a tree.
Only if I show you how it goes first, right?
Open it up.
I'm kidding. We slow down so the other tram can cross the tallest tower. Both trams are connected to the center cable called the hall cable, so when they slow down, so do we. Now, here comes my favorite part of the trip. It's nothing special, it's nothing extraordinary, but it's still my favorite part. We're about to go over the parking lot, which means I get to make fun of anybody that doesn't know how to park. Did you really think I was going to pass up an opportunity to make fun of somebody? No. Like that guy down there. Wow, he can't park. Oh, wait, that's my car. Never mind. Well, apparently I'm no good at parking.
I like the guy that
Of course,
parked
I
in the
tell
middle of
everybody that right
it.
before I park the tram. Think about that.
Just parked in the middle. I wonder where that sound's coming from.
About every place here is a hotel, isn't it?
Maybe the car that has Honda symbol on the back of it.
Look at the sun. Hey.
Well, thank everybody for riding with me today. Today and tomorrow. If it does happen to wash off for any reason, all you got to do is tell them your operator's name was Chris. They'll let you right back on, but no problem. We are going to bump a little bit coming into the terminal. I promise it's not us running over my supervisor's car. But hey, a guy is allowed to hope and dream, right? Maybe that's why he won't let me have any overtime.
Well, he shouldn't park his Prius there.
Speaking of parking, if anybody's parked on top of the mountain, the last train going up every mountain will be leaving here at 5:40. Please don't miss it. It's a long walk back up the mountain. Or a $35 cab ride. Here comes the bump. Are you ready? Hold on over there. Hold on. Now, when we come to a complete stop, I'm going to let everybody out through the door opposite me. If y'all can clear me a path, I will do my very best impersonation of Moses.